Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the Python complete course. In this video, we're going to talk about loops in Python. Before jumping over to the main point, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. It will motivate us for creating more useful content for you. Loops are fundamental in programming, allowing for repetitive code execution based on a specific condition. Python provides a very still loops mechanism that cater to various programming needs. This video provides into primary looping structure in Python: for loops, while loops, and nested loops. The for loop in Python provides a consistent way to iterate over iterable objects such as lists, strings, and tuples. Here's an example. In this example, we have created a list by the name of items and passed some names. And after that, we have created a for loop and create a new variable inside the for loop. So we are going to pass all data of a list into this item. And after that, we are going to use the print function. And you can see the result. Additionally, using the range function, you can easily generate a sequence of numbers, making it simple to repeat a block of code in times. Instead of using the items or using this list that we have created, we are going to say range. So we need to print the number from 1 to 10. And after that, we are going to print and see the result. The while loop offers a way to execute a block of code as long as the sequence conditions remains true. It's particularly useful when the number of repetition isn't known beforehand. Here's an example. In this example, we are going to create two variables. One is the correct number and we are going to pass 5. And the second one is guess. So we are going to get the number from the user. And the user should guess the number that we have passed into the correct number variable. So here we are going to use the while loop. So we are going to while guess is not equal to the correct number, we are going to change the guess into the integer type so that the user should pass the integer value. And after that, we are going to create a if statement. We are going to say if the guess was not equal to the correct number, print the false guess. Otherwise, print you guess the correct number. And now we are going to run this and let's pass the 3 number and it will print the false guess. And when we pass 5, it will print as you guessed the correct number. In the last, we have a nested loops in Python. For our advanced use cases, Python supports nested loop within loops. While this allows for more sophisticated patterns, it's essential to use the Gaussian as nested loops and increase computational complexity. Here's an example. In this example, we are going to create a for loop and we want to use the range function to print number from 1 to 10. And after that, inside this loop, we are going to create another loop with the same name, but we are going to change its variable type. And here we go, you can see we need to print this in a string form. So hope you understand until this part. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. It will motivate us for creating more useful content.